Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, we're going to go over this top-mounted 12-volt air conditioner from MODSPIONEER. It's a long time coming, and we're going to do this first part of the series and an unboxing. The next video, it's going on the vehicle. But this is going to be the unboxing version of this Dual Cool Pro top-mounted 12-volt/24-volt RV air conditioner from MODSPIONEER. But wait. I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Ricky from the Smalls RV Adventures. And excuse all of these cars in the way and vehicles. There's another project going on with our other channel, the Smalls Project. So if you get a chance, go over to that channel, the Smalls Project, and give a subscription, give a subscribe. It'll help out that channel, help us grow that channel right away. But let's get this MODSPIONEER over to the desk so we can show you all what's in this box. Oh, this dolly that I bought really comes in handy when you're carrying heavy things. This box is not too heavy, but just having it handy helps out a lot when you're transporting goods. Makes it really easy just to get all your goods to where you need to have them. Dolly wins. Without the dolly, 0. 1-0. So let me put this dolly over here, get it out of the way, and we can go over the unboxing of this air conditioner. Big box, isn't it? But it's really not that heavy. But putting it on a dolly saves your back. All right, let's lay it on the side there. MODSPIONEER Dual Cool Pro 12-volt, 24-volt air conditioner. Given this first look, it's pretty much packaged so that it can lay on either end and still be protected. Now let's see how easy it is to come out, because I already feel, let's see how easy this is to come out here. Come on, come out of there. It's really in there. Sometimes it's easy to come out, sometimes these styrofoams are hard to come out, but grabbing it from both sides makes it a lot more easy. There we go. So now you get the exact size of the dimensions. Something that I like about these air conditioners is that there's not too many parts of it. The air conditioner, this is the main part that's outside of the RV, and it comes with the cord already attached, and the cord is rather long, nice gauged wire, and you have a lot of wire to run to wherever your battery is. And a big Class A motorhome, you're not going to have that much, well, you're going to need all the wire you can get, I can say, because our motorhome is 35 feet, and where we want to put this air conditioner is about right here. And our battery bank runs to the front, but we're going to hook it up to an auxiliary battery bank that's around here. So this is enough wire to run it on the outside of the RV and coming inside of the RV through the refrigerator vent to the battery case. Now, what I want to show you is the length of this. So you want to know how much distance you have from the front to the rear with the spaces that you have on the top of your RV. So we have about, I'll give it 25 inches from the front to the back of this. This has like a little swing to it, so that's why I'm coming out to about 25 inches. And side to side, you want to know, this is the length, 25 inches, and then you want to know the width of it to see how much room you're going to need. It's about, let's say, 37 inches, give or take, how much you're going to need. Now, I'm going by approximates. I'm going a little longer than what the AC has, what the length of the AC, but that's because I want to make sure that I have enough space. And this is a regular 14 by 14 hole that this fits into. You just drop it right in with the included gaskets. Their gaskets comes with the air conditioner, and I'm going to show you that right now. This is the included gasket that comes with it, and you just, with this, is just these come apart, and they just open up. Well, you don't even have to take this apart. These just open up and it goes into a square, which the AC fits into, and it has little double-sided tape, and you can just tape it down to the surface of wherever you're going to mount this, and the AC sits against it to give it the flush, waterproof, tight seal, which is cool. But another thing that I'm noticing is that I have to look at this again. I don't see a faceplate in here. So I'm going to look at it again and see if I see the faceplate. So taking a closer look at it, I lift up the machine and I'm like, okay, I don't see a faceplate in the box. But when you lift up the machine, the faceplate that comes through your RV is actually attached, and you have another bracket that's inside that goes on top. So hold on, let me get the wire out of the way. This will actually be your faceplate. So this goes inside of your RV just like this, and it sits inside of the middle part, and you use the screws that are given and you just screw this up into place. But this is the last stage that you're going to that you have to do. That's the last stage. It also have your brackets to pull down the air conditioner to tighten the seal with the gasket, so that's pretty good too. And it's not much in the box. You have your instruction manual, and you have your remote, and that's basically it. Let's open up this bag to see what's in the bag, because you have everything that you need right in the box, and it's really simple to hook this up. You can actually see everything that you need. So this is the module I was telling you about, that you can see the Pioneer name brand, and also this is the faceplate. And when you put this comes through your RV and you put the faceplate on it, you're only going to see the faceplate and the RV and this, and the air blows through here, which is really nice. I mean, this is a nice looking unit, and I like it. Comes with the remote so that you can uh, do all that you need. And I'm thinking about putting this in the vent space. The vent space is where I want to put it. Just to show you how easy this is to hook up. You don't have many pieces. You have like the tools that came in that you're going to tighten everything up with. You have your faceplate. You have your mountain bars. You have the gasket, the electrical wire, and the RV air conditioner. That's it. You have your instruction manual here. Everything is hooked up for you. All you're doing is installing, and that's it. This is going to be one of the easiest installations of an RV air conditioner that you've ever done. You probably can do this by yourself. The hardest thing is probably hooking it up to your battery bank, if it's not going to your house battery, if it's going to an auxiliary battery. And it's not even hard to hook it up. You just have to find a way to wire it to get it through. Most people go through the top of the RV and go through a vent to get the wires into the body of the RV, or you can just run it any way that you want. But the connections are very easy. There's only two wires that you have to connect to your battery, the positive and the negative. It's that simple, and it comes with the protecting on the wire, the cabling. It's really simple to do. Excellent job, Mods Pioneer. Let me show you our battery bank that we were going to hook this up to, but we are upgrading our battery bank. I have a 1,000 amp hour battery bank that we're upgrading to a ComVolt system. The ComVolt system is so much easier to deal with when it comes to doing wiring for your RV. So we're going to hook up that battery system and then install the air conditioner to the ComVolt system. Those ComVolt systems are made to handle the 12-volt RV air conditioners and so much more. But let me show you our old battery system. Now remember, I told you we had a huge battery bank. This is over 1,000 amp hour of battery. It's pretty cool. The wattage, I have to do the calculations with that, but this here is like 1,100 amp hour. We have All of these battery banks here that we connect in parallel together, we had them inside of our bay, but now we're taking them all out. This is auxiliary batteries. Like we have our house batteries that's in the front of the RV, not the engine battery, the house battery. Those are in the front of the RV. We have house batteries a little in the middle. It's not even in the middle. It's like right before the door. And then we have our auxiliary batteries, which we power everything in an RV when we're off grid in the back of the RV. They don't weigh that much. These are lithium batteries. We have 200 amp hour. Well, this one is bigger than 200 amp hour. This one is 230 amp hour. And then we have 150 amp hour batteries here. We have one 230 amp hour and three 150 amp hour batteries, which are all connected in parallel. You can do the math at how many amp hour it is, but it goes over the 1000 amp hour. And this is not the only battery we have. We have extra backup batteries just in case one of these die out and they're not performing as well. We just switch it out to another LiTime battery. But these things worked amazingly while we had them. We have a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter that we use, and it's on a switch where you can power on your inverters, your plug sockets, your regular shore power, or 120 volt sockets for your appliances, your induction cooktop. Ooh, that was a wasp. Your induction cooktop or anything else that you may need that you want to power. We switch on the inverter. All the other DC products, they're always live. The DC products we try to use all of the time inside of the RV, so that's why that 12-volt air conditioner works key, because we don't have to switch on an inverter to run it. We can just run it off of these batteries. And then the MODSPIONEER air conditioner doesn't use that much energy. I believe it pulls between 375, like 280 to 375, giving the amount of air it needs to pull to the desired temperature. It peaks under 1000 watts, and then it stabilizes at 280 to 375 watts of power. And you have over 1000 amp hour of battery. You have so much wattage in there that it doesn't matter how much you're burning. And then we have a lot of solar. We have close to 1000 watts of solar as well. So given a good day, good warm hot day, you can be in Arizona in a desert. Perfect scenario there. And with the over 400, 500 watts of solar, close to 1000 watts of solar, and the AC is running and only using about, let's say, 400 watts. Let's just give it the, let's go on the long range, 400 watts over a given time. And you're bringing in 500 watts of solar, you're not losing anything. You're still topping off your batteries. You're still able to use your RV during the day. And at night, you can use how much how much solar you want. If your batteries are topped off, you're not going to deplete over 1000 amp hour of battery overnight just running your AC and a few televisions. That's not going to deplete your battery. And then when the sun comes back up, you're going to have all of that energy replenishing your batteries, that free solar energy. So you can really run this AC unlimitedly with this battery setup. I was hoping to show the video with this battery setup installed, but like I said, we're upgrading our battery system to the ComVolt system. We're going to repurpose these batteries because we still have a lot of vehicles that we do overlanding and camping out of. So we just repurpose them and use them for other reasons, other places. And as we run microwaves, we run air conditioners, we even run them in tents all year long. So these batteries still are good. I mean, they're still new, but that ComVolt system just makes your systems so much easier, where you can take all of this away, all of the batteries, the inverters, the solar charge controllers, all of the complicated wiring. You can take all of that away and just use the ComVolt battery system and plug all your appliances into that ComVolt system. And I'm going to do a review on it, so I don't want to get too much in it. This review is for the unboxing of the MODSPIONEER 12 volt RV or truck, van air conditioner. But that's what we're going to hook that up to. And that's going to be great. We're going to have a lot of videos of us traveling. And I know we're the East Coast and the seasons change, but all around the United States, you have good weather. You go to Florida, it's good weather all year. You go to Georgia, mostly a whole year, it's good weather. Then you go to the Midwest, Texas, you're still using your air conditioner. You go down west, Arizona, California, those areas stay very, very warm. Louisiana, all of those Gulf regions down there, those Gulf states, they all stay warm, and that's where we're going to be traveling. New Mexico, all warm states where you can use this 12-volt AC all year long. And then when you want to get away from that heat in the summer and you want to come up east, you still have it when you boondocking your way up, because nobody's going to stay on the road like just going into campgrounds. You can stay right in the rest area and rest and watch TV overnight, or for 4 or 5 hours while you're resting in comfort with your 12-volt Mods Pioneer air conditioner. I think that's the best routine to have. You don't have to cut on your generator. You can use your battery system and work it that way. And this is not stealth, but if you're in a van using the Mods Pioneer RV van air conditioner, that's stealth, because you're going to be in your van, the engine's not running, the batteries are not making a loud noise, the battery system is not going to be making loud noise where people are going to be listening to your RV. You know, you can just park and just be in comfort. But this is the battery system that we're going to be using for that we were going to use for the Mods Pioneer, but we're upgrading to the ComVolt system. This Mods Pioneer 12-volt RV or van air conditioner is revolutionary. It's game-changing in the RV and van industry. So you want to check them out. I'm going to put a link down in the description, and I'm also going to put a link pinned in the comments. So check it out. Also, go over to the Smalls Project. That's our new channel, and we're going to be showing a lot of these same things on that channel in depth. Installation we're going to do on this channel. We're going to do a lot of things still on this channel. But if you want to see in-depth products, in-depth reviews about a lot of the products, go to the Smalls Project. That channel, we're going to show a lot of products that we've been using over the years, and to show that they're reliable and that they're trustworthy. And if you want to use them, you can use them. And these are just product-based reviews going over technology. You still have some travel on that channel and a lot of other things, but go check it out. It's a new channel. We're trying to grow it. Look at the intro, look at some of the videos, write some comments, tell me what you think, and please subscribe to that channel. Again, this was the unboxing of the Mods Pioneer 12-volt/24-volt top-mounted RV air conditioner. This is a great product. Check it out. Links in the description. See you later, everybody. Thanks for watching.